Make a great choice today with 2006 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.